Have you ever felt a mental boost after tidying up your space? It's not just in your head. Spring cleaning can actually enhance your brain function. In this video, we'll explore the neurological benefits of decluttering and how a clean, organized environment can lead to improved cognition and performance. Stay tuned to discover how simple changes in your living space can boost your mental clarity and overall well-being. Spring cleaning is the practice of thoroughly cleaning and organizing your home. But did you know that the benefits of spring cleaning extend beyond just a tidy home? It can also have a profound impact on your brain and mental health. The brain thrives in an organized environment. Clutter can overwhelm the brain's processing capabilities, leading to stress, decreased focus. When you declutter, you reduce the sensory overload that clutter creates, allowing your brain to function more efficiently. This results in better concentration, increased productivity, and enhanced cognitive function. On a neurobiological level, decluttering and organizing your space can stimulate brain areas involved in decision-making, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. Here's how. Clutter is known to increase the level of stress hormone cortisol. By decluttering, you lower cortisol levels, which helps reduce stress and anxiety. This allows your brain to allocate more resources to important tasks. An organized space can help improve your memory. When items are in their designated places, your brain spends less energy trying to remember things that are enhancing your overall cognitive efficiency. Research supports these benefits. Studies have shown that individuals who live in organized spaces are better at processing information. They have improved memory retention and experience lower stress levels. The act of cleaning itself can be a therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment and boosting mood. A tidy bedroom can lead to better sleep quality, which is crucial for optimal brain function. Making spring cleaning a part of your routine can be simple and rewarding. Here's some tips to get started. First, start with a plan. Identify areas that need the most attention and set clear goals for each space. Avoid getting overwhelmed by focusing on one room or area at a time. Before cleaning, go to your belongings and decide what's to keep, donate, or discard. Use storage solutions like bins and shelves to keep things organized and easily accessible. Incorporate small daily or weekly cleaning habits to keep your space tidy and prevent future clutter buildup. So spring cleaning is more than just a chore. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your cognitive function and overall well-being. By decluttering and organizing your space, you can reduce stress, improve focus, and boost your mood. For more tips on improving your mental health and creating a productive environment, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.